Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church. Today we've got this product from Satechi. You know what, we haven't reviewed a product from them in a while, but this is the SM3 Slim Mechanical Backlit Bluetooth keyboard. Gonna be opening up, trying her out, right after this. Okay, like I said, we haven't reviewed a Satechi product in a while, probably back before I was doing a little bit more professional looking videos. Don't get me wrong, when I first started doing my videos, I had a studio that really helped me out, and then after a while I started doing them myself, and there was kind of an awkward stage where they didn't really look very professional at all. Often do them in one takes. Can you believe that? I didn't even have a button that lets me do more takes. Anyway, so it looks like we got out of the initial box, and let's see what it looks like here. Ooh, it is a nice looking thing. Genuine reaction shot captured right there. Achievement unlocked. So basically, this guy's kind of gray looking. And yeah. So he looks like a lot like those gaming keyboards that I review, like the ones from Turtle Beach and stuff. But hey, proof is in the pudding. So I guess we'll need to try it out, eh? Hopefully I don't have to charge it too much because, well, I'm just taking this out of the box. Oh, speaking of boxes, let's see what else is in here. Okay, I'm seeing this kind of thing. I'm guessing this is the charging cord. And looks like we got some instructions too. Not bad. Is there anything else in here? Oh, hey, there appears to be some keys. Huh, they're the same keys that are on here. I don't really, like, there's the control key, the Windows key. So, oh, wait a second. Hang on, I just realized something. I think this is set up for both PC and Mac, so I'm guessing that those keyboards are a bit different in their setup with their keys. So it looks like you have the option to do some little bit of transplanting, if you know what I mean. Something I've never really had to do, and I've got a keyboard. Guess I don't really care about my keyboard setup all that much. Anyway, that's about it. Okay, I just happen to have a laptop here, and I just happen to have a new keyboard. Ahem. Might as well set this up. Now, something I noticed here, there is a dongle in here. So here's what I'm hoping is going to happen. I'm going to connect the dongle to my computer. I'm going to use this thing with my computer. Yeah, come on, you know what's going to happen here. This is not a big mystery. All right, so let's connect that sucker. And for some reason, we got to do it the wrong way the first time. All right. Oh, shoot. I need to turn it on. I forgot to turn it on. I knew that I'd missed a step somewhere. Seems like I'm always doing that. Okay. So, are we active? The answer to that is no, we're not. I actually was typing in yes, we are. So, what did I do wrong? I can't tell here. Something tells me this thing might need to be charged or something like that. Well, I guess we better do that. Oh, here we go. Are we there? Okay, I just saw a light turn on here. Okay, this thing's glowing here. I'm assuming that means charge it, buddy. So let's do that. Yeah. Okay, I just decided to, I tried to hook up some like charging cord I found in like this drawer in the desk, but didn't quite work out. So I used the included USB-C to USB-C one that I came with. By the way, that was a USB-C to USB-C, in case you didn't catch that. So, how does this feel? Pretty good. Time to write the article now. No, I'm not gonna, once again, I'm not gonna show it. Last time I did stuff like that. Oh, okay. I'm seeing a lot of interesting formations here. Like, for example, on the O key, there's a Mac, and then the P key, there's a Win. I wonder how we switch that out. I am very curious about this. Well, I'm not really certain on that. Gonna have to do a bit more research. Also don't really know, okay, if you can hear the clicking of the keys, hopefully my mic or whatever sound is picking that up. Sounds pretty good, and it feels very relaxing. So that's got points for that. So yeah, maybe that's what the SM3 stands for. Small, relaxing, you know, I can't figure out an acronym for that. We'll workshop that. Okay, I think it's going to be best if I just wait for this to charge and then do the dongle again. So let's just wait. Oh, you still here? Why? Don't you have better things to do? I don't know how long this is going to take to charge. Okay, it's looking pretty good. So, yeah. I also had a chance to try out the Bluetooth. Also looks pretty good. So, on the whole, I'm going to give this some good positive reviews. And why shouldn't I? Look at this thing. Look at how beautiful it is. I don't know. Colors are kind of interesting. I think it comes in a different color, but I kind of feel like this is sort of a universal thing. I mean, if you're going to go for both Windows and Mac, how are you going to color it? I feel like this is probably a good compromise. Okay, I was looking through some of the features of this. I'm told that it has 4 types of connectivity, also 14 different like backlight functions. I'm gonna have to double check on this because shoot, I haven't even tried one. So let's try those, shall we? Okay, I'm gonna try and show some of the lighting patterns if I can. Oh, that looks better. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, that looks great. Wow. Okay, that looks very awesome. Ooh, yeah, the flash is on my keyboard. Woohoo! Ooh, hey. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Pulsing. Oh, nice. And we're lit. Whoa, hey, is that new? I can't remember. I'm kind of forgetting these things. Huh. Okay, I'm assuming we're good. Nice. Okay, I think what I really need to do is direct you to the article on thegeekchurch.com if you want to read about more than this. The price is about $119.99 on the Satechi site. And you know what? I really hope this isn't going to be the last time you review a Satechi product here in the near future. Please, Satechi, send us some more stuff. This keyboard is great. Feels very metallic too. I believe this has an aluminum frame. Nice. Oh, and I guess that's one last feature. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.